Sending a conditional flow based on the user attributes. From the dashboard, go to Chatbot AI and create a story. Add keywords in user input that a user can ask. Drag the text response and write a text response. Add quick replies, and then drag conditional redirect to the node. You can send text, media block, story, or form in a conditional redirect. You can add multiple redirects as per your need. You can add the text response if the chatbot fails to respond. Save the flow and test your chatbot. That's it. Thanks for watching.